Sunday, July 26.
As early as 4 a.m. po, meron na tayong mga tao sa area, especially dun sa mga hindi pa nakapag-gain ng kanilang race kit. Program siguro maaabot tayo hanggang 8:30 a.m. Hanggang 8:30 to 9 ma'am. Ayan yung po. So, yun ma'am.
Deadline ng registration. Hanggang kailan po?
They have no deadline for the registration kasi mga gusto nilang maabot yung target quota.
Kahit on-site.
Kahit on-site, pwede pa. Umaaga at 4 a.m.
We will announce ma'am for the on-site kasi baka ubos na tapos i-announce na lang po.
Yes, okay, Jen. Again, invite all our friends out there to join this walk, run, and roll of the PSA Milo.
Ayun po, iniimbitahan ko kayo na sumali, mag-register po tayo sa Walk, Run, and Roll 2026 sa UP Diliman. At 4 a.m. yung assembly time. So, yung ilan po sa mga persons with disability, pwede rin po sa mga magtotropa, sa mga magbabarkada, sa mga magkakapamilya, at yung mga
Jowa lang.
ayun po. So, pwede po natin imbitahan yung mga kabali po natin para mas masarap pong tumakbo na may kasama.
Yes, yes, Commissioner.
At masarap pa ako na may kasamang non-disabled din. No? Yung mga ganun, diba? Anyway, again, this is an invitation to participate in the PSC Walk, Run, and Roll together with Milo Philippines and the National Council on Disability Affairs and the National Youth Commission. You have a place in this in the sporting world, so participate in this activity, and I hope you would have a once in a lifetime experience, no? And again, it goes beyond walking, running, rolling, no? You can also do this, play alongside with a person with disability in other sports, sporting activities. So I hope to see you on the starting line, July 26, in the morning, early in the morning. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. At let me reiterate, this is for everyone. The Walk, Run, and Roll, the Philippine Sports Commission in collaboration with Milo Philippines. More power and God bless everyone. Kita-kita po tayo. July 26, UP Diliman. I'm Radical Manila Standard.